Not picture the rig, just the rig alone right now because on it, well, they maybe they are wrong, eh? But as the day back here, see them, I kind of doing a small video, right? I don't want to get nobody in trouble, right? So I'm gonna give you one zoom, right? So that's the rig, what you show you what the equipments. Thing here. I try to do a short video on that people. Right. As I said, you might not always be doing an ask them and say yeah go ahead, but they don't record nobody in the video, so we will put all the people. Right. I cannot enter the premises, so this is best I can get it up at the rig by the head idling. Right people, so as I said, I don't really go anywhere, so most of the time I'm doing videos. This is my hometown here, my neighborhood, not too far from the back of my house. Right, if so far, if you look back within a year or year and a half of my videos that I uploaded, most of my videos is mostly home videos. The one or two that you see from different areas, those videos I didn't record this video, but I was send those videos to you. If this video was sent on my phone, but it was free to use publicly, right? So I just tell you know that. If I see any people walking coming into the rig, people I will stop. Right. So this is the rig here, full length kayak, but here we have the right. I asked permission again, the person said yes, but just don't record nobody in it, right? So I don't want to record nobody in it. As you can see the safety sign where they have. At the rig in full view, again with the fitting, with the, I'm not sure how they call that. Right, rig at the full kit, tank. Right, so people, if you're as I said, you see most of my videos from bigger. I only have so far, I only have 2 videos from outside. That is the Mosquito Creek and yesterday the short drive. Right, I went on the road, so I decided to do a video. But I wasn't the one driving, I was the passenger in the car. Right. Oh man. Right, so people are not trying to catch nobody in the video. The video might just be about 5 minutes. I see anybody walking coming, I will stop. So that the rig, I am sure how it will work out. I won't be going back there again. I want to do this video of that. The rig. I see the fellas on the walk, I will stop the video people. So the rig. So many plates, but right, so the people are coming by motor work people, so I'm going to stop the video. So that's the top. Yeah, so this see a person with a wall back there, so people will see the end of the